Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart for Home. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn off the Roku voice guide, or as some people call it, the talking feature on your Roku device. This can be super helpful if you accidentally turned it on or just want some peace and quiet. Let's dive in. First, let's quickly go over what the Roku voice guide is. It's an accessibility feature called the audio guide that reads aloud on screen text and helps users navigate. But if you don't need it, it can get a little distracting. Step 1. Quick toggle with the remote. The fastest way to turn off the voice guide is to press the star button on your remote 4 times in a row. Here's how you do it. You should hear a prompt confirming that the audio guide is now off. But if this quick toggle didn't work, don't worry, we can turn it off through the Roku settings. Step 2. Turn off audio guide in settings. Let's go through the settings method in case you want to double check, or if the remote shortcut didn't work. From the Roku home screen, use your remote to scroll down and select settings. Next, go to accessibility and then choose audio guide. Now, select off. And that's it. This will turn off the voice guide permanently until you choose to turn it on again. Conclusion. And there you have it. A quick and simple way to turn off the Roku voice guide. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of your streaming devices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.